Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and it's my day 19 of 100 days coding challenge. So today I was learning about time and space complexity in DSA. So I learned that time complexity and space complexity are denoted or represented in big O notations. Okay, and we don't write the time and space complexity in numbers. We write them in big O of n format, and time complexity is not about how much time is how much time the code is taking to give the output, because it is dependent on systems. Okay, if your system is low end, then it will take much time. If your system is high end, then it will take less time. Okay, so that is dependent upon system. And so consider there is a loop which will go less than and equal to 5 times, means 0 to 5. Okay, so whenever the loop executes, it will like first increment, then check, then print. Okay, so these are three stages in a normal basic loop. Okay, so when we take example of basic loop, then there will be three stages. Okay, first is increment, then check, and then print. And if it is less than and equal to 5, then it will go 0 to 5. That means 5 iterations. Okay, 3 stages and 5 iterations. So it will be like 5 into 3. So 5 into 3 is 15. So the time complexity will be big O of 15. But we don't take numbers in time complexity, so we'll take big O of, so 5 is the n. Okay, we are executing the loop 5 times, means n times. So it will be n into 3, because 3 stages, so it will be big O of 3n. Okay, and space complexity, in space complexity there are two spaces: auxiliary space and input space. Auxiliary space is what, when we use any other variable to store the input data. Okay, it's to store the answer, the final value. Okay, which we get from the input data. So to store that, if we take another variable, that means another space, so it is called auxiliary space. And input space is what, whenever we are assigning input variables, they are input spaces. Okay, for example, there is a and b inputs, and we have to sum them. Okay, so what will we do? We'll do a plus b, but where will we store them? So we'll use another variable c to store them. So the program will be like c equal to a plus b. So the answer will be stored in c. So in this example, c is auxiliary space, a and b are input spaces, and combining all them is space complexity. Okay, it's as simple as that. And yes, I was learning about this only. I didn't do that much things today. And yes, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on day 20.